Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, from today onwards we will revise the lessons for your periodic 2 test paper. So let us see chapter 12 first of all. Beta, the syllabus for PT2 will be from chapter 12 to 15. Okay, so keep in mind the chapter name is governance. First of all, we will see word bank, law. First word is law. What is law, beta? Law, a rule or a system of rules. बेटा जो लॉ होता है वो क्या होता है? रूल होता है जिसमें कि नियम होते हैं या एक सिस्टमेटिक आपका रूल्स होता है, नियम होते हैं जिनको कि हमको फॉलो करना होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड लॉ. एंड नेक्स्ट इज टैक्सेस. What is taxes? In the lesson we discussed about taxes. What are taxes? बेटा मनी दैट इज पेड टू द स्टेट और कंट्री, मतलब जो पैसे स्टेट को या कंट्री को दिया जाता है लोगों के द्वारा, उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? टैक्सेस. ओके, वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट. सो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज विल बी ए fill in the blanks. Beta, in this question you have to fill the blanks with appropriate word with correct word. So first of all, a country is dash or dash in accordance with rules and regulations. Beta, a country is answer will be managed or governed. Managed or governed. Managed or governed in accordance with rules and regulations. A country is managed or governed in accordance with rules and regulations. Next is the dash is governing body in a village. The dash is the governing body in a village. Beta, what is the governing body? That is Gram Panchayat in a village. Answer will be Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is the governing body in a village. बेटा ग्राम पंचायत होती है governing body, means all the things that have to manage in the village are managed by the governing body, that is called gram panchayat. So next is dash, dash and dash are civic amenities. बेटा civic amenities में क्या आता है? Water, then after electricity, and road. Water, electricity and road are civic amenities. So this is called civic amenities, and that is needed by all the people, all the family who are living in the villages. So next one is dash looks after the needs of the people in towns. Beta dash looks after the needs of people in town. इसका मतलब क्या है बेटा? लोगों के नीड की नीड को जो है कौन पूरा करता है, या उसकी देखभाल कौन करता है, या उसको पूरा कौन करता है। डेक्स looks after the need of the people in towns. So answer will be municipal committee. Municipal committee looks after the needs of the people in towns. And next is DAS looks after the needs of the people in cities. Beta, in village, Gram Panchayat is there, in town, municipal committee is there, and in cities, there is municipal corporation. Municipal corporation is there to look after the needs of the people in cities. Next is beta, write T for true and F for false. Here you have to write T for true and F for false. So first sentence will be, we do not follow rules in school. We do not follow rules in school. The answer will be false. बेटा हम स्कूल में रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स इन स्कूल्स, सो इट इज फॉल्स. द स्टेट्स आर गवर्न्ड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. द स्टेट्स आर गवर्न्ड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. जो स्टेट है बेटा, जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है वो गवर्न होता है किससे, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से. सो इट इज ट्रू, इट इज ट्रू. एंड नेक्स्ट इज, members of the Gram Panchayat choose member of the Gram Sabha. Members of the Gram Panchayat choose members of the Gram Sabha. जो मेंबर ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत है बेटा, वो किसको चूज करते हैं, मेंबर ऑफ ग्राम सभा. ग्राम सभा के मेंबर्स को वो क्या करते हैं बेटा, चूज करते हैं. सो इट विल बी द मेंबर ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत चूज द मेंबर ऑफ ग्राम सभा. इट इज फॉल्स. Next is the mayor is the head of the municipal corporation. The mayor is the head of the municipal corporation. It is true. So we will write here T. Next is, our parents pay taxes for the use of electricity. Yes, student, we pay for the uses of electricity to the government, that is called taxes. So my dear students, it's all about the revision of chapter 12, and in next class we will see about the chapter 13. And my dear student, you have to learn all these things properly and carefully, and question may be asked inside the lesson. So you have to read the lesson carefully and you have to prepare the whole lesson carefully, because question may asked from anywhere from your book. So keep in mind all these things. बेटा क्वेश्चन कहीं से भी पूछा जा सकता है, इसलिए आपको वो लाइन बाय लाइन अच्छे से पढ़ के रखना होगा. ओके बेटा, so keep in mind and be careful about your health. Thank you. Have a nice day.